Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Jacob Vile.
Dylan.
What's up, man?
I heard that you were coming.
Yeah, man. I'm local to this area, so.
They are 4.9 Neos.
Okay.
240. They're custom built. They've got, I think, 6 spiders, custom SPL soft parts.
Mm-hmm.
The 2 in the middle are brand new, so they're a little stinky, and the 4 on the outsides are fresh recones. They've got maybe 30 minutes in total, if that, low power testing.
Okay.
It's still getting a console, different seats, different dash. Everything, the theme's gonna be black and splatter paint. I'm putting black lights in the box and in the cabin. I've got all the, most of the stuff. I got custom carpet made for it, but we threw it together to bring it here.
Nice. Who built this?
Mike Corlett, the guy that owns this Escalade next to me, and he's standing back behind the corner of the Tahoe.
And this is a 4th order?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It's supposed to get windy. Like I said, they're still breaking in. I can't play lows.
These are the 4.9?
They're 4.9. So they're a little different.
And the subs are still breaking in. Is it 2 of them that are brand new?
These 2 in the middle are brand new.
Okay.
And the ones on the outsides are all fresh recones.
Got it.
So, and we've got the amps turned down a good bit.
Yeah.
We got a couple more clicks. I got a couple more clicks on this.
Yeah.
On the knob, you know.
Awesome.
Can't give you the full thing.
You're good. So what all is in here equipment?
I'm running the 4.5s, or the 6.5s. They're the 4.9 Neos, 15s. It's got 3 SAW 8Ks. Yes, 240 amp hour lithium. The alternators are what, 390s? And it
So you have 2 390s. Okay.
and it's no, the truck's hooked straight up to the wiring and everything.
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt it. The only thing it does is messes with the bolt gauge, which is laid all the way over.
Oh yeah.
But it's I used to have a no wall in here, 4 scars.
Wow.
I had 4 scars in here, and it did a 154.8. I don't know what this does, but we'll see what it mostly will do today, because I'm not gonna give it full tilt till next year.
Yeah, man. Awesome. I'm gonna go look at the amps and all in the back. So. Yep.
I'm gonna let this thing cool off.
All right.
Lo veo en fondo de bikina, años de pico. Tiempo que le dijo que en la calle usted está rota. No puedo soltar que suelto se sofoca. No me desespero porque cuando toca, toca. Y que lo ve, que lo ve, que lo ve. ¿Dónde está que no lo veo? ¿Dónde está que no lo veo? Y que lo ve, que lo ve, que lo ve, que fue. Está robando feo de verdad al vecino.
I had to give a demo real quick. Let me toss this in here.
all
so,
good.
I mean, I can give you a burp.
Yeah, you can play whatever you think, whatever works for you. Something with a little bit of wind or lows works. If you don't have something, just play whatever you want to.
Let's play this.
Okay.
Ball tonight. You ain't my kind. Just anybody. I'm on anybody. Forget about it. From up the road. Up the pole. Till he up and told. I hung up the phone. Niggas on the boat. When I be on the road. Heads for hydros. On my clothes. Moving bit. Get dropped. Still shot. Get dropped. Still shot. You let me out. Let me down. You do for me. Tell me now. Mama's medication. My pre-com. 3 long. Get dropped.
Want it all. Catching Z's like an only want it all. When I want the racket, yawning down. Man, I can never do shit, man. Got the window, what's wrong with y'all? What he's saying, don't make me go pop the trunk. Think he's playing. You better listen what he's saying, punk. Don't make me go pop the trunk. Oh, you got a low Mossberg in the muscle, your double bag laying in the back of the dump, boy. Don't make me go pop the trunk. Parking lot, old brown bottom, with the hotel bitches is sipping those problem. One of them bitches, cigarette.
My pre-com. 3 long. Get dropped.
Magnets are fine.
Wow.
Just getting a little warm on the glue.
Nice. Really? That was pretty good. I appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, they're a little stinky.
Yep. Well, nice to meet you. Your name?
Meet you as well, Dylan.
Dylan. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, Dylan. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop